video from the Mastermind Influencer team, I am going to give videos that you can do on YouTube without breaking the bank. That's right, you will not need any money. So stay tuned, guys, and watch this video. Hello, friends. Welcome to the Mastermind Influencer team, hosted by Lady Pheonix, and all of the team members' names will be in my description box. Please go back and watch the playlist. Thank you so much for joining us on today. Okay, guys, my very first video that I'm sharing with you, the first video is cleaning videos. That's right, cleaning videos. You'll be surprised how many cleaning videos got high views. Next video that you can do without spending money is vlogging. That means taking people along with you during your day. Do vlogging. That's right. You don't have to spend no money doing vlogging, but you're going to have to take them along with you. How-to series. You can start a how-to series. And with that, how to wash clothes. How to wash clothes. You know, a lot of people don't know how to wash white clothes, you know. So you can show people how to wash clothes for free. How to shop for bargains. You can do decluttering videos. People love, and I love, decluttering videos. The before and the after. You can do reviewing products. And that don't mean that you're going to have to go out there and buy a bunch of products, but you can review different products. You can go to the store and those things that are trending, that are just coming out, hey, you can let them know, look, a new item is out. And you can review it. To make it all work for you guys, you can buy a sandwich that just came out from a famous restaurant and just review it. So guess what? You got to buy something to eat for lunch, so why not just do a review on it? You can do window shopping. You can do window shopping. Window shopping, you don't have to spend no money. You could just go out there, look, and see what you like, and show us things that are out there that are new. You can show us before and after videos. So it just depends on how you can do that with the before and the after. You know, things that you might have made over or restore. You can show us the before and the after. And some things that we make over and we restore, we get for free. You know, we find on the side of the road. Or you can do dumpster diving. You can do dumpster diving videos. Dumpster diving videos, guys, is when you find something in the dumpster or on the side of the road. You can share those videos. You can share weight loss videos, right? Weight loss videos. You can take us on your morning routine. Whether your morning routine is walking, whether your morning routine is exercising, or maybe, you know, your morning routine of makeup or how you take care of your skin. Don't forget also to check videos that are trending. And I'm going to be honest with you, some of the videos that are trending, I don't think I would want to do them. Some of them are very silly, but they rank high views. Guys, this video you might laugh, but you know a video that's high trending is cleaning a toilet. So you can show how to clean a toilet. It might sound silly, guys, but it does work. You can show some unboxing videos. So things that you've ordered and came through the mail. A lot of people do MsMe unboxing on their channel. And those are prescription videos, but still yet, they're working for your benefit. You're not going out there spending no extra money trying to do this or go that way or do that way, change this and change that. Your money is working for you. You can also share what I ate video. And there's also some things going out now are tag videos that you can do for free, and you don't have to spend no money. So guys, I hope that this is helping you today. You can also do, now this one here is a little controversy, but it'll talk about a video about how much money you spend in a day. So I won't tell you to go out there and do that, but that's just a suggestion on that. You can do a home tour video, and that's very popular on YouTube, a home tour video or room tour video. You can do a challenge video, because there's different type of challenge videos. You know, some of these challenges I wouldn't do, but there are some that are safe and decent. You can do a YouTube motivation video. You can do a YouTube live. And for YouTubers who don't have the 1,000 watch time to go live on your phones, you can use StreamYard. It is free and it's very easy to use. You can do and don't videos. The things that we should do and the things that we should not do. You can do what's in my purse video. Or you can do organizing my purse video. Or you can do my favorite purse video. This is just giving you a few ideas, guys, just to help you along the way, because it's not all the time that you got to go out there and spend a bunch of money. You can do a beginner's video about editing for young YouTubers. So guys, these are just some ideas to help you along the way. So understand one thing, guys, you don't have to all the time spend a bunch of money. So I hope that this has helped you, because this question that came across, I've heard people ask so many times, what kind of video can I make without spending money or spending so much money? So guess what, guys? We want to save, we want to be wise, we want to make good quality video. So I hope that, guys, this has been a blessing to you. And guys, if this has inspired you, I would love for you to join my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and always leave a comment. Guys, I want to thank the Mastermind Influencer team on today. Our host is Miss Lady Pheonix from Really Good Living. Thank God for Miss Stephanie from Creative MsMe, Stephanie for Designer's Loft. That's D. Thank God today. Listen from Buckeye Girls, Wreaths and Thing, and also me. Guys, we come once a month, every first Sunday of the month. Please watch my Mother's Day breakfast brunch that will upload at 12 o'clock today. So I thank y'all, and I hope these ideas has been an inspiration to you and help you along the way. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day until I see y'all again on my next video. Bye bye from Penny.